In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import an invoice in Xero. We'll walk through the process from inside your Xero dashboard, so go ahead and log into your Xero account to follow along. Once you're on the main dashboard, look for the main navigation bar, usually across the top of the screen. Here, you'll see a menu item labeled Business or Sales, depending on your layout. Click on the option that takes you to the Sales area. This is where Xero groups everything related to money coming into your business. After you've opened the Sales section, you'll see a list of options such as quotes, invoices, and possibly other items like credit notes. For this process, we're going to focus on invoices, so click on Invoices. This will take you to the Invoices page, where you'd normally see a list of your existing sales invoices, along with their statuses, due dates, and amounts. On the Invoices page, look toward the top or upper right area for an option labeled Import. This is what allows you to bring in multiple invoices from a file, instead of entering them one by one. Go ahead and click on Import. Xero will now take you to the Import Invoices screen. Here you'll see information about the type of file you need. Typically, Xero expects a CSV file that follows their invoice import template. If you haven't prepared your file yet, this is a good moment to pause and make sure your spreadsheet matches Xero's required columns such as contact name, invoice date, due date, description, quantity, unit price, and account codes. Having your data clean and correctly formatted will help you avoid errors during import. Once your file is ready, look for the Browse button on the import page. Click on Browse and your computer's file picker will open. Navigate to the folder where you saved your prepared invoice file, select the correct CSV file, and confirm. You should now see the file name appear next to the Browse button, confirming it's been attached. With your file selected, you're ready for the final step. Click on the Import button to start uploading your invoices into Xero. The system will process the file and then show you a summary of what was imported. If there are any issues, Xero will flag specific rows so you can correct them and try again. Once everything is imported successfully, your invoices will appear in the invoice list, ready for approval, sending, or further editing as needed.